lovebird sitting on the branch. On the center of the copy, we will draw a bird sitting on the branch. First, you have seen the heart. This is the shape of the love. By the help of the heart, we will draw the lovebird. By divide the two parts, we will draw one bird here, one bird here. Like this we will make the birds. Then this is the head. Tilt this side, both the bird heads opposite side, and this is the tail. Tail of the bird. This is the back side of the bird. This is the tail of the bird, and this is the eyes. One eyes. This is the eyebrow. Eyes. And this is the beak. And this is the branch. Now we will draw branch. This is the branch. Like this we will draw the branch. And here we will draw the flowers. Flowers, and the leaves, we will draw the leaves like this. See, I have done for you with a color pencil. Now see here the flowers, orange color center part, and the red color balls we will draw like this, and we will give the outline with the black color like this, and we will use the colors here: yellow color, light green, dark green, and black color for making the flowers. First we will use the yellow color. Yellow color, after the light green color, same jalebi, and the dark green, and we will use some black colors to giving the depth of the plants. Like this we will give the, see, like this we will complete our drawing. Some flowers are there, leaves are there, and we will draw the clouds here. The sun is hiding behind the clouds. Like this we will draw the clouds. or you can use the in the place of the flowers, you can use the flowers like this. Here some flowers are there on the tree, lovebird, sun. So you can choose any color, any design. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment.